Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So let's play with the imagination again, guys. Have you ever imagined when you are having the picnic with your family or friends and the venue for the picnic was on the huge and also dewy leaf? Ooh, how is that possible? Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to create this picture, and you will see the miniature of the family who is having the picnic on the huge and dewy leaf like this. How to create this picture? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I use here was the Nano banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to try another AI to generate or create this picture, it is very okay and you can go with it, and don't worry because I will also share you the prompt to create this experiment guys, and you can also try it too. And if you would like to access this Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first. To have this access, try Nano Banana over here. And this will be the home page, and you can click this one. And you just need to put the prompt into this section, like this. A whimsical miniature scene of a tiny people having a picnic on a large green leaf covered with the fresh morning dew drops. And also the picnic table is a set with the colorful fruits and also drinks on a red and white checkered tablecloth like this. And also the sunlight from here softly filters through the leaves, creating a warm and dreamy glow. And also macro photography style with a shallow depth of field, and also highly detailed leaf texture, sparkling water droplets like this one, and also soft bokeh background. This will be the bokeh effect, and also realistic lighting, and also the Pixar of Ghibli inspired aesthetic, and also joyful and peaceful atmosphere. So this will be the prompt we will have over here, and you can continue to click run. And kindly wait for the output down here, and basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this picture guys. However, by using this same prompt, you can also have the different look. For example, like this, and you can check it out or simply click it. And if you like this, and you can start to download this picture, and it will be ready to be uploaded or shared into your favorite social media. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.